How does water affect the body? How long does it take to see the effects of drinking more water? In fact, even mild dehydration affects your blood vessels, making them less springy, about the same as smoking a cigarette. Skimping on water also leads to less blood in your body, which can lower your blood pressure and raise your heart rate. It takes just 15 to 20 minutes for enough water to even things out. So drink water every day. Make water a part of your diet. Make it essential. Is it okay to drink more than the recommended amount of water? Drinking enough water offers health benefits. However, drinking too much water, such as 3 to 4 liters per day, in short periods, may lead to water intoxication. For proper metabolism, a normal human body requires about 2 liters of water. 6 to 8 small glasses of water per day is enough.